Kareem lived in a small village. Unlike the other farmers who worked hard in their fields, Kareem always looked for shortcuts. He wanted to be rich, powerful, and have everything without breaking a sweat. One day, he overheard something strange, a rumor about a magical well hidden in the forest. They said this well could grant any wish you made. Anything. Kareem's heart raced with excitement. If this is true, he thought, I'll never have to work again. So, without wasting any time, Kareem set out to find the well. The forest was dense and the journey was exhausting. But after hours of searching, there it was, the magical well. Its water shimmered under the sunlight, almost glowing. Kareem stood before the well and said, "Oh, magical well, give me a vast field full of crops, so I'll never worry about food again." And to his shock, the wish came true. Right before his eyes, a massive field appeared, brimming with crops. Kareem was overjoyed. But greed is never satisfied. The very next day, Kareem returned to the well. This time, he asked, "Magical well, give me a mountain of gold. I want to be the richest man in the world." And just like that, a golden mountain rose beside his house. Kareem was thrilled. But as you might have guessed, it still wasn't enough. A few days later, he went back. This time, he said, "Make me the strongest man alive. If I'm powerful, I can take whatever I want." The well paused. For the first time, Kareem heard it speak. Its voice was deep and echoing. "Your wish will be granted, but remember, if greed consumes you again, you will lose everything." Kareem nodded eagerly, and soon, he felt power coursing through his veins. He could lift rocks, break trees with his hands. It was incredible. But was he satisfied? No. Days passed, and Kareem's greed returned, stronger than ever. He went back to the well and demanded, "Make me immortal. I want to live forever and rule the world." This time, the well was silent. Kareem repeated his demand, louder and louder. Suddenly, the sky darkened. A fierce wind blew, and in an instant, Kareem's golden mountain crumbled into dust. His vast fields vanished, and his strength faded away. He was left standing there, weak and empty-handed. The well's voice thundered. "Greed destroys all it touches. Be content with what you have, or you will lose even that." Kareem returned to his village, humbled and broken. From that day, he worked honestly and learned to appreciate what he earned. So, remember this, greed might promise you everything, but in the end, it takes away far more than it gives.